Next up, we have Charlie Fothergill, who's a final year M.Sc student at Manchester Metropolitan University. Her exhibit is on stand number 16, and Charlie again received a BSBI Study Award for her meadow monitoring project.
Hello, thank you so much for having me here. For my final master's project, I decided I wanted to sit and drink tea in beautiful wildflower meadows as much as possible. The horseflies also decided that I was quite good lunch, and it was very hot, so there were a few challenges. But please do come and chat to me about the project. I'm doing 2 summers of collecting data, because I was very ambitious about the sites I was doing, but it's great because I've already learned some stuff from people who are here. I decided I wanted to look at sort of semi-natural meadows, and then ones that have been created through projects like Living Landscapes, Wildlife Trust's projects, and kind of analyse the quite complex community data, because I really enjoyed using R, which makes me a bit of a freak according to a lot of people on my course. So I kind of wanted to see, like, well, look at questions like, how do we decide whether a 10-year-old meadow, creation project has been successful? What kind of makes it naturalistic? That sort of thing. So yeah, if you've kind of got any ideas as well, please do come and chat to me. I think that's probably my minute, isn't it?
Your minute's
so
up,
much.
Jill. Thank you, Charlie.